Baby, when this big bowl comes out, you already know what time it is. You already know. Hey folks, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we have Mimi back in
the house.
The Easy Fosheezy. And because in our last few cooking videos I was always asked, how does she season her meat? What does she put in her meat? How she season her meat? What's she put in her meat? Well, today we got a treat for you. What are we making today, Mimi?
Good meat.
Okay, so how do you say that in Creole? Viande cabrit. We are going to be making viande cabrit, and Mommy's gonna show you how to clean it, season it, and cook it. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So what are you doing now?
I'm taking the, I don't know how you call that thing.
The fat?
The fat out.
Okay, so right now she is literally taking piece by piece and just taking out most of the fats that's in there. Now, some people like this. Some people don't mind it. Some people, right?
Cook it just like that, yeah.
We'll cook it just like that. Most Haitians don't play that.
No, we don't want it to smell like goat.
Oh, you take it off so it doesn't smell like goat.
Mm-hmm. There's going to be a lot of grease and everything like that, so we have to clean it out.
Oh, okay. Well, news to me. So, that's the reason why you take the fat out, is because you don't really want it to smell like goat too much. So, you take it out. And that's exactly what she's doing. Piece by piece. Learn how to cook like Mimi, and I promise you, the penis will be yours. Can I even say that?
No, you can't.
Can I even say that on YouTube? I said it, and I'm sticking to it. Hopefully they don't block me over this thing. Huh?
For that word.
Yeah. I think they say worse on YouTube, honestly. So if they block me from that one word that definitely describes a male member, then that's crazy.
As the guys, they have like fresh goat meat. Nope, everything is frozen.
Yeah. And then you know what? Another thing I don't like about it, because it's so frozen, right, Mom? You can't even see what's in the pack. Did you notice that?
What they usually do is they put some of the meat on the top.
And then they put bones on the bottom. Yeah.
It's something that you're buying.
And it's nothing.
Nothing.
That's what happened. I bought some turkey meat the other day, and I go about seasoning. All these little pieces on the bottom. I was so upset. I'm like, see, this is why I would rather go. I wouldn't mind traveling down to West Palm and getting, you know what I mean?
Thinking about it, but it was
too late.
You piece that you wanted, and then you just cut it off with it.
Yeah, and then you can actually see what you're getting. All right, so right now my mom has, how many limes do you have in there, Mom?
I don't know.
Not a lemon, lime.
3.
Okay, 3 limes. So right now she is taking the lime and rubbing it up against the meat.
I put some salt.
She put a little bit of salt
lemon
and lemon juice. Come, stop, relax, KK. I'm crying. So this is how you clean your meat, folks. You take that lime, lemon, whichever one you want to use, and you pretty much, it's like you're taking a bath, like the meat is taking a bath. Clean it really well, because we're trying to get that goat meat taste, smell out of it.
Mama.
Yeah, babe.
Is that just stinks?
That's fat.
The fat?
And this is all the fat that Mommy took out of the meat.
What's that with the fat?
That's the fat that was on the meat. See, now my daughter's even in here watching. See what I'm saying? It's a family affair. It's a family affair.
Mommy, can I watch that movie?
Wait, I gotta wait. My mommy, grandma is making meat, and I want to record it. So
when I finish,
when she's finished, you can watch the TV. Okay? All right. Go chill with your brother for a little bit. All right.
See that one?
Squeeze all the rest of the lemon out. Then you turn on the water. Cold, preferably.
Warm.
Warm? Oh, warm water. Lukewarm water, I guess. And now you're gonna pretty much clean off all that lemon juice off the meat. So it's kind of like, you know, when you're taking a bath, you soaping up your body and then you rinse off. Same concept. Okay, so while she's doing that, we actually have, she's gonna wash it one more time, but we actually have over here, step over here, a pot of hot water, or a pot of water boiling with lemon in it. So we're gonna take this hot water and actually pour it on the meat, which is the, how you pronounce it, soje? Soje. Oh, which is another word for a pot. Anyway, we're gonna take this hot water and pour it on that meat, and I'll show you. But this has to boil first. So once this gets a roiling boil, then we're gonna take this and pour it on the meat, and I'll show you that in a minute. All right, if you want to use it now, let's go. All right, so here's the boiling water. And pour that over the goat. It is a lot of water for a little bit of goat, but I don't know, I guess it makes sense. Taking out the lime. Alright, and you leave it in there just for a little bit, not too long. And empty out the hot water. Now, this is a Caribbean thing. I don't think a lot of people do this to meats. I know when I went to culinary school, we did not do this at all. So
what I usually do is, after I finish with the hot water, I usually rinse it out.
With cold water?
Yeah, because usually like when you see the water is not clear sometimes, usually be dark. So I just have to, at least you wash the meat out, but I like seeing my meat to be like clean and whatever it is. So that's me. You see the color of it?
Yeah. Now, some would say you use cold water to kind of stop the cooking process. I mean, you do it for that as well. But also, just to make sure that there's like technically no blood in there. We're trying to get all that out. All the scent, I mean, not the scent of the goat milk, but that strong scent of the goat milk, and then the blood out. Okay. I'm thinking that's the reason why they do this, but
I love people do that anyway.
Alright, so now it's bare, it's clean. We're going to go ahead and get some seasonings to season our meat. Use some liquid sazon. I love using this thing. It always makes the meat taste so good. So good, so good, so good.
You're going to put a Maggi in there?
Oh, we're going to throw a Maggi in there as well. I would show you what the bottle looks. You know, I'm going to show you. I don't know if I'm going to get in trouble for this, but this is what we're using. Okay? That's the first ingredient. I'm not too sure if I'm allowed to do that, but
No, you're not supposed to.
make sure that's the chicken one, because this one is a beef one.
I know beef.
I'm just making sure. And then we're going to use 1 pack of Maggi cubes.
Usually goat meat, you always have to put some hot sauce in it. And I put my spicy when I'm finished. Have some, not all of it. Yes.
So the pack of sazon went in. And next.
This is my hot sauce.
Okay. This is homemade pepper sauce.
Very hot. That's it.
That's really hot. So you only need a little. You don't need too much because too much of this will make this very spicy. Ooh. Yeah, it's so spicy I can smell it. Mimi likes to use her very own sofrito, épices, whatever you call it, from wherever you are around the world. But this is homemade. We also have a video on how to make this on YouTube. I will link it up above. But yeah, this is the épices. As you can see, it looks good. If it has smell-o-vision, you'll be like, it smells good too. Right. As you can see, it looks good. If you had smell-o-vision, you'll say it smells good as well. Alright. Gonna add a couple of wooden spoonfuls of it. And get the mixing. Is that all you putting in there? This is it?
Yep.
Oh wow. And she's gonna taste it to make sure it has enough.
Enough.
It's enough?
It's hot too.
I bet it is. Why you make it so spicy? My daughter's gonna want some.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's not gonna be too
Because
spicy.
because goat meat, you cannot do goat meat flat. You have to put some hot sauce in it just to make it,
Okay. To give it some flavor?
Yeah. And sometimes it's like flat. You have no taste to it, but if you have some pepper in it, it's pretty good.
Okay. Well, y'all saw it. This is how she seasoned it.
If you want to, you could slice onion, red pepper, black pepper, but I don't want that.
Alright, if you want to, you can add your aromatics, your onions, your peppers, your thyme. If you wanted to put some thyme, you can put some thyme in there.
Yeah.
But we're gonna make it very simple and easy today.
Okay. Leave it like that and let it cool. Let it be the season get inside of it.
Alright, and this is how it looks, guys. This is how you season your meat, folks. I think I'm gonna make this a 3-part video or 2-part video. But this is how you season your meat. Okay? This is how we do it. You let it sit overnight. You can let it marinate overnight. If you're really that hungry, you could just wait an hour and start cooking it. But overnight is the best. Or I say if you was gonna do it within an hour's time, I might put a little bit more of that épice in there. Just a little bit more. But yeah, that's how we do it, guys. And that's how we season our meat. So y'all let me know in the comments below. If you want a part 2, I'm gonna record it. But if you want a part 2, I'll give you a part 2 on how she goes about cooking this. Y'all put in the comments below part 2, and then we'll get to the cooking of the goat meat. Yeah, boy. Yeah. So y'all let me know. Alright?